Hello everyone, this is Ronak and welcome to ethicalonlinebusiness.com. Today we will be talking about how COVID-19, the Corona COVID-19 pandemic crisis will usher in a positive world for us. Now that is quite a contradictory statement considering the things going on right now. Yes, on different fronts, the world has experienced a series of crises throughout history. If we head back 70, 80 odd years in the past, after the 1945 year when the World War II ended, many countries started building their infrastructure. The modern day civilization, which is technologically advanced, got ahead only after this huge crisis. Countries started avoiding war on a large scale because they had seen destruction, both human and financial, because of war. In the year 2002, there was an internet bubble which got burst. There was a recession in the world because of this crisis. Now, this recession led to companies like Facebook coming out of it. Google, which started in the late 1990s, started its Google AdWords program in the year 2003 2004. Now, that particular program changed the entire game for internet companies because now websites got a new source of income coming through this particular Google AdWord company. In 2008, when the real estate crisis led to a global recession, there were a lot of banks and financial institutions which went bankrupt. A lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of businesses got closed. But again, a few years after this crisis, there were internet companies like Twitter, WhatsApp, and Instagram which were born. On an At an individual level, we can one example which I can tell you is Walt Disney. Walt Disney was rejected from his job because his employer thought that he lacks imagination. Now, can you imagine? The creativity of Walt Disney was questioned, and this same Walt Disney came up with a character like Mickey Mouse, which is the greatest cartoon character ever. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter series, was broken, poor, and in a very bad state when she was writing the Harry Potter series. She was going through a crisis, but she emerged out of it. She fought through it. She became the one of the richest writers ever. She is probably the only billionaire writer or author. So we can see that there are two ways of dealing with a crisis. One, we can nag about it. We can curse people, we can curse the government, we can curse the employer, we can curse the businesses, the whole system. Basically, we can be negative about it. The second thing is to be positive, to remain calm and be watchful of the opportunities which it brings in. We need to maintain that peace of mind, that sense of balance in order to grab those opportunities. We need to be basically positive during this crisis. We need to hang in there. As the situation goes, what I can see, the changes which are going to come in the world, there are many positive changes which are going to come after this pandemic crisis ends. The health sector, all over the world, health sector is going to see a sea change, a drastic change. Online education, online businesses, they are going to boom. Online as a whole, online services, they are going to become an further integral part of our life. The infrastructure, the food from the farming sector, even that is going to see a great change because of this crisis. So we basically need to hang in there. We need to see on a personal front how we can fit in this new normal, what opportunities it brings it, how can we profit, what services or what things can we offer, and gain something out of it. With that, I would like to end this video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, do comment on your thoughts on this particular topic, do subscribe to our channel, do share it. Thank you.